In this video, I will show you how to see all apps that has access to your camera on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. Here, tap on, scroll down and camera, just tap on camera. And here you will find those apps that are using your iPhone camera. From here you can easily disable any specific app camera permission. Just disable camera for the app. So this is how we can see all apps that has access to your camera on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.